Okay, yes. Um, what? Wait. Bruh. Wee. Okay, cool. I'm gonna trap you inside a box. Gosh darn it. No! I was gonna trap you inside a box, dude. No, you're the bad boy. Nope, I'm running. Okay, so today we're going to build the Cybertruck. Now this is in half because it's kind of complicated on the inside. We're gonna have an interior and everything, so it's gonna look pretty cool. So, yeah. Let's wait. Don't mind this. I'm just China. Yeah, I'm just China. I need to do some fixes. Boom. There. So, we're gonna be making this thing. So, get ready and get ready to suffer. Okay, let's start off with the back, because I always do that for some reason. Okay, this is just basically a duplicate of this side, so that's why I deleted this side, so I can see the inside. Anyways, let's just start with the wheel. Okay, let's go. The cylinders. I think it's this? No, it's the 3x3. Okay, 3x3. Cool. Lift that up. And then... Wait. Okay. Let's take... let's just start. Yeah, sure. Cylinders. Cylinder. No, half cylinder. Boom. And then you go to the half blocks. Half wedge. Boom. Like that. Okay. Put that. And suspension. Just that. Yeah. Okay. Now this, you want to put all the way up, because this is going to be a heavy boy. Oh yeah, I also want to put the dampening all the way up. Okay, cool. Now, you want to build, okay, I'm just trying to, this is such a bad tutorial, why am I even doing this? Okay. Okay. Half wedge down. My friend really wants to build this, so that's why I'm doing this. Okay. Boom. You want to do that? 2, 3, 4. Like that, and once you have that, you want to do... What am I even doing? What is this? What is my friend doing? Oh, okay. Let me get the... You want to go to wedges too? And you want to... I'm just going to make some modifications in a second. Wedge. Boom. This is like... I did not prepare for this tutorial like at all, so... It's really bad. Okay, wedges 2. Or, no. Oh, nope. Triangle wedge block? No. There we go. Boom, like that. Cool. Right? Yeah, cool. Yeah. Very cool. Okay. After that, you want to do a wedge. Boom, boom. Okay. Boom, boom. And then wedges 1x2. Don't build that. I'm just trying to place it down. Yeah. Definitely a spy. It's like the best spy I've ever seen. The heck? Yeah, I'm really bad at this. Yeah, I'm just really bad at this. I already messed up. Yeah. That's how bad I am, dude. Hold up. What am I doing? Oh. Yo, I placed those wrong. I am so bad at this. How the hell did I do that? What the hell? Uh, Maybe it's in here. It is in there. So it's the half triangle wedge. Okay. Okay. Cool. Just realized how dumb I am. Half wedge down. Boom, boom. Yep. Yo, okay. There. And then, let's do half wedge down. Oh, I'm tired. That's not good. What are you doing? What? I am so confused. I think he's just AFK. Okay, we need to stop getting distracted by him. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So 3 blocks there. I am really bad at this. I already said that 10 times. If you clicked off already, then makes sense. This is just a video of me trying to copy out my own build, so I'm gonna just be going back and forth like this. Like, it's gonna be really bad. What the heck? Do the do. Okay. Like, I just gotta do the do, you know? Yeah, I just gotta do the do. I just gotta do the do. Like, it's not that hard. Yeah, just do the do. Cool. I'm just not even talking anymore. I'm just kind of... The hell, dude? Okay, whatever. I'm just, like, really trying to concentrate. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? I'm a bee. Ran over. What? What? I'm so confused. What is he trying to do? He's... Let's just say he's trying to distract me. Cause he's really well... If he is trying to distract me, he's doing really well at it. So, good job. I mean... What the heck is this? Yeah, you guys want to build this? What the heck? I don't even know. Okay. This is gonna be glass, so... 1 second. Boom. Cool, right? Yeah, really cool. Very cool. What? I'm still yawning. If you can click off the video, I'm still yawning, so just, yeah, just don't even. I wanna die. Why did I say that? I'm not even saying anything at this point. I'm too tired, okay? I should have, why? Why did I do this? Yeah, there you go. Cool. Yeah, I should have I should have not done this. Like, I should have did this, like, yesterday, because I am really tired, and, like, I don't know. I'll do a showcase video of my builds, and you guys, well, none of you are watching. Only my friend is watching. Whatever. I'm gonna die, dude. I'm so tired. Okay, 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 okay. I will do a showcase video. And maybe you guys, probably no one, can vote on what to build, what for me to build next. Okay? That'd be cool. Super rocket engines. Yep. My friend's going insane. Yeah, my friend's just crazy. What the heck, dude? I wanna die. No, I'm just kidding. Ah! Oh, oh, oh my god. I just, no, please. Okay, I'm sorry. You guys, I shouldn't be making this. Cause I am, like, super, super tired. It's only 6 p.m., dude. How am I so freaking tired? Like, honestly, dude. Just, how? Okay, how does this work? How is that gonna work? Cool. Is this, yeah, I'm beyond my own. What? 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 What did I do this time? Ah, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm already going crazy. This is not good. Boom. By the way, this is not going to be an electric car, so... I mean, you can obviously tell. It's not gonna be an electric car. Okay, so... I'm sorry, if I broke your dream thing. I forgot the name. Whatever. I am not burping while recording, okay? I mean, I could just obviously cut it out, but like... No, I want to do at least editing as possible, dude. I hate editing. I don't know why. It's just annoying. And it takes a long time to, like, upload. Like, to export the thing, and then, like, get the video done. So, like, it would be nice if I don't have to do anything. And my dad's, like, out right now, so, like, I don't get interrupted. Like, last video. That's why I had to do a cut. The cut was not that bad. It's just that it took a long time to, like, freaking export and everything. I'm just telling you guys stuff while I'm building. Something isn't right here. Never mind. Maybe everything's okay. Never mind. I'm just concentrating. I'm honestly, like, struggling right now. Like, really bad. Oh, what the heck? Okay, there we go. Okay, I need to stretch again. What the hell? Okay, this is like the worst tutorial on YouTube. I'm not gonna even, like... Watch any tutorial and it's gonna be better than this. It's just me yawning, stretching, and talking. While I'm just building something. I'm not even trying to, like... Like, you guys have to actively know when I'm about to, like, change to a different, like, block. And you guys have to, like, pause every time. But I am taking breaks in between. I'm just super tired. This is your fault, Roblox Master Rise. Rise. That's how I say it, so if I say it wrong, tell me. Ooh. I'm so tired. I said that like 10 times now. I mean, all you guys know by now. So I don't know what's even the point of saying that. Yes. I'm not speaking because I'm concentrating and... What was that noise? What the... What is that noise? Okay, I'm spooked. Okay, I'm spooked. What the heck is that noise? Sounds like little kids, like, howling. Yeah, howling. What? Why? Yeah, it sounds like they're just playing. Never mind. They just sound really weird. For like a second, it sounded really weird. So, I got spooked. Yeah, what's up? I'm really tired, so like, would you mind, like, letting me do my own thing? Do you know how to Minecraft? Yeah, of course. This is Roblox though, so do you... This is Roblox, so... Can you Roblox and... Wait, Roblox and chill. What the heck? The sad thing is, I can't even listen to music because you guys would hear it. I mean, I guess you guys, whatever. What the heck? Nah, this ain't right. Something ain't right. Something is not right here. And I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. That looks better. Did my friend... What? Why? I just heard the little oof in the background and I'm like, what the heck? Oh, he's back. And he tripped. Yes, it looks like a little mini race car right now. Why did he just say Big Mac? I mean... What? I don't even know anymore. He's just crazy. He's honestly crazy. On a number of levels, he's really crazy. Sad in Minecraft. Yeah. Don't even... Wait. Okay. Sorry, I'm not talking. This is probably one of the most boringest, worst tutorials in the world. Honestly, I'm not even talking. I'm just here, just showing you, God, like here's a Cybertruck, and here's how to build it, and I'm not even saying anything. Cool. Isn't that what a tutorial is, though? I mean, I don't really have to say anything, technically. I don't even know. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna... Boom. Okay. We kinda have, like, the outline done-ish. Say I have the outline done. Yeah, sure. Definitely, yeah, sure. Okay, here. Okay, let's do this part, cause, yeah, cool, I know how to do this. Wow, very cool, right? Yeah, it's super cool. Like, I actually kind of, yeah, very cool. Yeah, definitely, really. Like, super cool, bro. This is definitely really cool. I'm just honest, I'm just trying to keep myself sane. Because I'm gonna go insane. The heck? How do you do this? Oh my god. I'm about to lose myself. Yeah, I'm going insane. I just said we randomly. I mean, do people say that randomly? Just like out of nowhere, they just go like we. Like as in not like together we, but like the we, like when you're going down a roller coaster. Like just do people just say that randomly? Cause I don't even. I'm just my body like I'm just trying to be funny, and like since my mind's really tired, I can't be funny, so I just come up with weird stuff and say random stuff. I just go like we. Like what? Makes no sense, but yeah. Okay, this glass part is gonna be super annoying. Even for myself. For you guys, it's good. You're gonna be so mad. Wait, no. Boom. I haven't even test drive the thing. It's because it's cut in half. How am I supposed to test drive a Tesla truck that's cut in half? What? What am I even... I'm going insane! I just want to die. No, I don't. Wait, why did I say that? Oh my god, I need to stop. I might just continue this tomorrow, to be honest. I'll just cut it here, because I'm actually really tired. Okay, half of this video is going to be, like, really bad. Okay, see you tomorrow, I guess. Well, in 2 seconds. Goodbye.